Welcome to another TESSALink training video. Today we're using our mobile app to inspect. You're going to search for an asset. We're going to use a connected RFID reader device to locate the two assets that we're going to inspect. So we've read the RFID chip. We're going to select the first asset by clicking on the select button. And now we're going to inspect this asset.
Because you said first you started off with testing multiple assets, so I assumed we're you're going to doing in the beginning.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you want to start over? Start. You want to do for one asset? Because we don't need to select it, we can just hit inspect.
Okay.
Because if you select it, you can do multiple. That's how we do multiple.
True. Welcome to another TESSALink training video. Today we're going to be using our mobile app to inspect one asset and multiple assets. We're going to use a connected RFID reader to scan a chip. Go to your RFID button, scan your chips or chip. We're going to do one asset first, so select the top asset and go to the inspect button and click on that. We're now going to create a form at the bottom. And we're going to search for chain. And we're going to do a chain sling inspection. At this point, you can fill in all of the fields. If everything that you have looked at is all good, you can also use pass fields at the bottom. Once you have either filled in the fields or used your pass field, you will complete your form in the bottom left. And if you want to pass the form, then you click on pass. If you want to fail it, you can fail it. If you want to add a schedule, there's not a schedule currently on this asset. If you want to add a schedule, we'll say yes. And then you can determine the frequency simply by choosing the frequency field. We're going to do 6 months, so you would choose month, and then you'll go up to the top and change 1 to 6. And confirm. And confirm. And you can also change your warning period. We're going to change our warning period to 29 days. And confirm. And once you have everything set for your reoccurrence, then you would click confirm again, and this will add a schedule to your asset. Once you've gotten everything set the way you want it, you can click on pass. And the form that you have filled has now passed. You can go ahead and select, your search results. You can go back. And now we're going to choose both of these assets. So you would select and select. And go to the top right to the 3 bars. And we're going to fill a form on selected assets. Once again, we're going to enter chain. I mean, go ahead. You can choose any of the forms that you want. On this one, if you have a PO number or an order number, feel free to add those in as well. That would be the best place to do this here. We're going to fill in the different fields. If you've seen everything and it passes, you can pass fields. If you need to put in specific information or comments, go ahead and put those in. Before we actually complete this form, we're going to take a picture. And so you would go to attachments. And at the bottom, you'll see an add button. So you would click on the add and then go into the attachment field and check to set it. Go to the bottom left to camera. And your camera comes up and you'll take a picture. And you can either retake the picture or you can use the photo in the bottom. Go ahead and use photo. and then confirm. And this will add a picture to the inspection that you've just done. When you press the back button, that saves all of your data. If you're going to complete the form, you would do that at this time. And if you want to pass or fail, you choose the appropriate button. And if you want to add a schedule, you can add a schedule to this. We're not going to add one to this one. And then you can check pass. And this has created the same form for both of these assets, which means that picture is also on both of these assets as well. So this is how you would fill a form using the mobile app. Thank you for watching, and look for other TESSALink videos on YouTube.